Wi-Fi, the magical force connecting us to memes, cat videos, and conspiracy theories. But how does it actually work? Let's untangle the mystery without unplugging your router. Because no one wants to deal with that. It's basically radio waves, like the ones in walkie-talkies, but faster and a lot moodier. It sends data through the air, which sounds amazing, until you remember it can't reach your kitchen corner. NASA talks to Mars, and I still buffer while microwaving popcorn. So next time your Wi-Fi dies, just know it's not your fault. It's probably just doing emotional damage control, like this video before your signal drops.